Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo Two-in-One stand. When it comes to value, everybody loves a twofer, you know, where you could get double duty out of a single piece of grip equipment, saving you weight, money, and hassle. I wish I had a lightweight kit stand and a handheld Boompole. Well, Kupo gives you both of these common grip staples that are used in production on location in one handy multitasker, aptly named the Two-in-One stand. It has an operating range from 20.4 to 79.5 inches, with a weight of 2.46 pounds, and a load capacity of 5.5 pounds. This compact 5-section stand folds down to 20.4 inches for easy travel and storage. Topped off with a 5/8 inch brass stud, threaded with a 3/16 male thread and a female 3/16 female to 1/4-20 male thread adapter for flexible mounting options. This light stand features reverse folding aluminum legs to keep it compact when collapsed. I know you are thinking, but Jason, where is the boom you were talking about? Well, my Kupo compadres, all you have to do is make sure the sliding spider casting is loose, and press the silver button right above the base casting, and voila! You now have a handheld telescoping boom pole to support lights. The boom pole extends from 27.3 to 72.6 inches and weighs in at only 0.9 pounds. Or with the addition of a tilt bracket and a shock mount, a microphone or any other gear you could mount on the baby stud or 1/4-20 and 3/16 male threads. To reunite the boom to the stand, and it feels so good, simply insert the base of the boom pole into the base casting and twist clockwise until it locks in place. For a super compact, lightweight and versatile kit stand that doubles as an adjustable boom pole, the Two-in-One stand is the ideal companion for your next location shoot. Get a few today and get your show on the road. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.